In this video, we look at the Afrikaans word duur. As an adjective, it means expensive. Die kar is duur. The car is expensive. Dure les, costly lesson. Dit het hom duur te staan gekom. It cost him dearly. Ten duurste, at great expense. Ek het daai huis ten duurste aangeskaf. I acquired that house at great expense. As a noun, duur is connected to time, so duur refers to duration. As a verb, duur can refer to how long something lasts, or continues, or takes. Op die lange duur, which means in the long run. Van korte duur, short-lived. Dit het lank genoeg geduur, or you can say, dit het lank genoeg gevat. And that means it took long enough. Sal dit lank duur? Will it take or be long? Dit sal my 'n leeftyd duur. It will last me a lifetime. Then another adjective related to duur is duursaam, and it means durable.